We have always believed in the quality and safety of health services in this great country, represented by unparalleled support of its leadership, the durability of its health system, and the efficiency of its generous staff, commitment, and creativity. The Ministry of Defense, represented by the Health Services, has joined all capabilities to support precautionary efforts and proactive measures to confront the corona pandemic. And the King Fahd Military Complex, KFMMC, in Dhahran was one of the hospitals. On behalf of all the employees of KFMMC, we cordially welcome all the delegates and participants in the 3rd Ministry of Defense Health Services Quality Conference, which will be held on 7 to 9 December 2021 at the Grand Hyatt, Al-Khobar, with virtual platform for remote participants. To get started, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you'll receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon besides the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking on the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. As for the Abstract Hall, you may view the abstracts by clicking the PDF icon located at the right side of the screen and switch between pages to view more of the submitted abstracts by clicking the Next Page icon. Just click on the X button for leaving the abstract page. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. On behalf of the KFMMC employees in Dhahran, we would like to thank His Excellency, the General Directorate for Health Services, for giving us the opportunity to organize this 3rd conference for quality improvement and patient safety. The organizing of this conference is one of the indicators to develop our health services, benefit from the lessons and challenges of this pandemic. May God help us to come out with everything we wish for from this conference. Peace be upon you and the mercy of God.